meghalayapost.news
Bhoi College Student Union haka laiphui tarik risau kalapan kutno egatayo lekmen ki Samla Puli ka Bhoi College dagjiya ko bopher ya kani tayo lekmen jagari Bhoi College lapanya dagari Bhoi College Student Union walapan kutno egani tayo dagjiya ko pya Mr. and Miss Bhoi College haka ba bon ki Samla Puli jagani ka college kila mentalang banyakun banyo ra egatiga nam hadim berada banya yakirau bopher ka ba khaddu nakaliang kinong bishar kila ishan khmat ya ka Samla Ibapalei Ranee bakani ka Samla kala sya pong sendan ya ka pasngat kanam Miss Bhoi College banyak kanam baar la lech ka Samla Rina Marngar balai la yo ra de Samla Bet Shiba Lapang nakaliang kisendang Samla Paulos Pangcho la yo banra kanam kumurang bagat saitam ka Bhoi College lani Mr. Bhoi College hak tik jingko baar la yo banra du Samla wanlum lang sotun banyak kanam balai la ra du Samla bante umba ya kani teu lekmen jegi kun Samla Puli ka Bhoi College lawan penha perdano do kongsan uba Meral Bonds im Emily Ganongpo haringkat kijingan dolang ba rangkan sai makdo founder member ka college kum sembut kongsan si Beni principal Bhoi College kinohikai Bhoi College lambat kiwe
College 2024 and this is contestant number 3 Paulos Pangcho. Mr. Paulos Pangcho will be honored as the most handsome man of Bhoi College. Congratulations, Mr. Paulos Pangcho, for being Mr. Bhoi College 2024. Bhoi College 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, your Miss Bhoi College 2024. Right, please. Ladies and gentlemen, your second Miss and Mr. Renaissance 2024. To be followed by our first runner-up, Miss and Mr. 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, your first runner-up, Miss and Mr. Bhoi College 2024. And last but not the least, our Miss and Mr. Bhoi College 2024. Mr. Paulos Pangcho and Miss Ibapalei Ranee. Yeah, the round is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, your Miss and
meghalayapost.news